Hello everyone. My project is about elective subject recommendation system. It is an artificial intelligence project. In this project, I have done that the objective of project is to elective subject recommendation is used to give student recommendation about which elective subject student can join based on their interest. User or student will be input their project, and based on that, user can get desired uh, user can get recommended subject based on this will be based on natural language processing. So user will be input in that language, and it will be processed inside the model and gives the recommended subject. So here the first thing in natural language processing is that there is a two type of sentence matching in natural language processing. First is lexical and second is semantic. In a lexical analysis we can say that lexical it will be match words with word to word matching, and in semantical analysis it will be match words based on their semantic view. For example, in lexical analysis, if I enter play, then it will be match play word play word, but in semantic it we can be match played, playing, or anything based on semantic, because it will be based on library and everything. So in lexical analysis, what I have done both the thing in the project. So in first of all, I have tried with lexical analysis, and I have seen that I have get keywords from the users with from sentence, and input with user will be enter their input, and it will be based on keybert library with stopwords point 7. Stopword point 7 means stopword is thing that removes in any language extra word that for example in english there are is, the, and at, as, see, he, are, we can say there are the stop words. So it will be removed point 7 frequency stop words from the english language user sentence input. Then in lexical I have done that key, but all the data set I what I have done, I have first of all grabbed the data set, and in data set there will be one field that is elective subject and elective subject description. So I have done that. I have converted elective subject description to its unique words with key, but and then I have used that user. I will convert user input to key, but uh, user input to keywords and description to keyword. Then I will be matched with the tfidf. That is a term frequency inverse transfer frequency that will match. We can use for matching the words, and at the last I have used a cosine similarity to match the sentence. So it will be tfidf used to count the frequency in words, and what I will do then the problem in I can say here word instead of word matching. I have done word frequency counting and used. I also used cosine similarity for words matching, not word matching but similarity between two words. So what I have done then, the problem in lexical analysis is that we will match the based on words. So if I enter played, then it will be matched with only played but not a play. That will be the very big problem for user. It will be solved not desired output. Sometime it can be solved wrong output or anything. So in semantic analysis, what I have done, I have used the library that I have included sentence transform library for semantic analysis, and in that I have used the model multi QM mini LM L6 cos V1 model. That the model I have used for semantic analysis from the sentence transform library. Then it is showing the correct output because it's work on semantic base. Semantic base it will be semantically match the words. Then what I have done, I have the above all the things I have done in core programming of Python that work with only terminal. But I want to do that. I want to use that thing in the website purpose. So user can input non-technical person or any can input their thing and can get output So what I have used the Flask framework or Python for making the website. So I have used the HTML for templates, and what I would do, I am getting the user input there with the REST API, and from that I am recommending the user to subject based that. So I have used the test.py output file. What I would do, first I have getting error that it will be taking so much time for user input. What the thing that it will be because of the many processing in model, so it will be taking too much time. So after that, what I would do, I created model and stored that model in .pkl file. .pkl file that stored train model, and after that I am getting a very faster output for that thing. So let's see the project. So for run my project, first of all we need to input python app.py. So it will be run main app.py file. So what we can see it will be, we can we will be able to see that the project will be run on the server. So let the project running. So we can see project is running on 499999 port in localhost. So let's start that server. So here we can see elective recommendation, subject recommendation system. This template I have made with HTML. So user will be first of all able to enter any semester. If I enter first semester and I will try to elective, then it will be show the next current semester first semester and the next semester elective. If I select here 7, so it will be not will be so. For example, if I am in 7th semester and I am interested in Java. So what can we can see? We can see here it will be so for semester 7. And these are the recommended subject. User can also enter their feedback, and so first of all thing it will be showing advanced Java from semester 7. Because of I have selected year semester 7, so it will be show 7 and 8 semester. If I select semester 1, and then I can for example I can see I want mobile developing interest mobile app. So it will be recommend the subjects. For example, it will showing programming for application development 7 semester. So I can give rate and anything, then I can submit the feedback. But here for example I am entering here semester 8, and then I am writing mobile application development. So what it will be suggest me that only from semester 8. It will not suggest now semester 7, because I have passed the semester 7. So I don't recommend that thing. So I have used that thing with pure pure coding. Here we can see the. So next thing what I have done that if a user input here, user can select the feedback rate, the subject is right or not, and after that I can enter my name. Right, I can enter the feedback. For example, I'm writing, then I can give the suggestion. If I give the suggestion, then it will be shows that feedback added successfully. So feedback where feedback will be added to. So feedback will be added in MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is a one type of NoSQL database, so it will be stored in NoSQL database. So what can do that after the storing this database name is AI elective subject. So in AI elective subject there is one column elective subject. So we can see I have given a 5 stars, so it will be showing me 5 rating and user suggestion and everything in this file. After that I can convert it to Excel and I can use for further purpose also. So let's see the backend code. So in the backend code we can see that there is, first of all, in template folder there is one template file. So I have used the for loop and everything. What is the calculation and that thing in this, and then I have used that if output description and everything based on the its value, and I have getted all the values in the database. So I have also used the JavaScript. JavaScript I used to in, enter the maximum word to the maximum character. For example, in a text area, I want to enter maximum character 230. That's why I use the JavaScript. So it will be based on JavaScript, and user can select the star based on this thing. After that, what can we can see in the static folder? Static folder has a two parts, CSS and images. It will be static images, background images, and the CSS. So this will be the all the main front end. Now for backend. Backend for I have one dataset. Dataset is elective courses. Elective is in the elective courses dataset. So I have made this elective courses dataset with my own self. So I have created many columns like subject code, subject course code, course name, semester description, and the keywords. With keyword I have converted and the unique words out of that keywords. So you can say that data set I have made, and after that, what is the thing? I have made one test.py file. Test.py file is a Python file that will be include all the libraries, and I have what I have done. I have first of all included the data set, everything in the course data set, and different variable. Then I have trained that model with encoding. What I have done, I have encoded that model with the transfer syntax transformer library, and I have made one JSON like objects. I have made many objects with the same. If a subject is from same object, then it will be similar subject. So it will be showing another similar subject. So in the data I have passed this all the data to the file. So what we can do, I have stored all these things with the pickle file. So what will be done here, I have first of all passed all the things in data. It will be stored in data variable and data object, and then data object will be stored in model.pkl file in write condition. So it will be stored in here model.pkl file. Here you can see this file we can't able to output because it is a data store file. Then what I have done, I have just used this file for speed up. It will be store the model train model in that pickle file. And what we can do, I have connected here MongoDB server, and then I have just included the pickle file from different variables. And what I have done, I have created user input. Based on that, I have checked that semester and description is entered or not. If entered, then I have what I've done. I have checked. I've done my logic that it will be source based on description and everything. So here the post data set and everything will be stored here, and at the last it will be show in HTML file. For example, I have stored the whole user semester and output dictionary and everything in one variable. Then I am passing this variable to HTML file, and HTML file this will be the print thing. And if user input the post method for add feedback, then the feedback will be added to that thing. So here is the my code, and my project is elective subject recommendation. I hope you have liked the UI and everything. Thank you very much.